Hi learners, happy Thanksgiving week. We only have 2 days of school this week, Monday and Tuesday. The rest of the week is your break to celebrate Thanksgiving with your family. And I hope that you take this time to really think about those things that you are grateful for and that make your life better, and the people and the pets and the relationships that enrich your life. Let's take a look at what we will do this week. So if you're looking at Google Classroom, you can see that we're going to have Zoom information at the top of the Classwork tab. So if you're in Classroom, you click Classwork, the first thing you're going to see is Zoom information. We have our Zoom link, so every day you'll click that link, and then the Zoom schedule. So if you forget, you can take a look at the schedule and remind yourself what time your classes meet. Then we're going to look at November 23 and 24. We have a gratitude unit. We start with a to-do list right here at the top. I'm going to open that up. The to-do list looks a little bit like last week, but with a little bit more festive Thanksgiving pictures and text. Again, our unit is gratitude, and we have 2 days worth of assignments, Monday and Tuesday. On Monday, your first step will be to complete interactive journal number 5. We will continue on those journals, so you'll be on number 5 today. You can find that in Google Classroom. Step 2 will be to watch this video. Click the link. Step 3 is to complete the gratitude assignment in Google Classroom and then turn it in. So if I go back to Google Classroom, I can see right here under the to-do list is the gratitude assignment. The gratitude assignment should be pretty fun. It says, many of us express gratitude by saying thank you to someone who has helped us or given us a gift. From a scientific perspective, however, gratitude is not just an action. It is also a positive emotion that serves a biological purpose. So just saying thank you, it goes beyond that, right? It's an actual emotion that we feel when we feel grateful, and it's really good for mental health and physical health. Step 1, watch the video. Step 2, write a letter. For this assignment, you will think of a person in your life you want to express thanks and gratitude towards. Then you will write out what you really want to say to them and then call them up, talk in person, or FaceTime them and read them your letter. If you really call them, it is proven to, as this video mentions, increase your happiness by 4 to 19%. But if you really can't call them or FaceTime them, for some reason so if you really can't call them or FaceTime them for some reason, you can text them or actually send them the letter, like through mail. Okay, if the person is not alive, you can still write this letter and save it. It's still a good exercise of gratitude. Step 3 will be to complete the Flipgrid. You will submit this assignment using Flipgrid. The links are right here, 6th, 7th, and 8th. When you are done writing your letter and you called this person, you will create a video or on Flipgrid and answer the following questions about your call or your conversation or your text or your letter. Okay, you do not have to read your letter aloud on the Flipgrid because it might be sensitive and personal. These are the questions that you answer on the Flipgrid. Who was the person? What did they do? What did they mean to you? Why did you choose them? So tell us about the background. How did your conversation or call or text go? Be specific. What was their reaction? How did it make you feel? How did you feel after calling them up or writing the letter to them? Okay, so you're going to be reflecting on this experience on the Flipgrid. You will have to get the Flipgrid app in self-service before you can click this link and post a Flipgrid. Please email me if you have questions about Flipgrid versus just choosing not to do it. Please don't just choose not to do it. Please ask questions so that you can get credit for this assignment. I'm going to go back to the to-do list now. And you can see on Tuesday, it's very similar. You start with the journal, you watch this video, and then you complete the gratitude worksheet in Google Classroom. Let's go back to Google Classroom, and you can see that's the next thing listed. Okay, all you have to do is open up the worksheet and read through it. It's pretty quick. It's just 4 different journal prompts. Okay. Appreciating all the positive things in our lives can help increase our happiness and decrease our stress. Work through each different area of your life as listed below and list what you are grateful for. So the first thing you're going to talk about is overlooked blessings. Second, positive things about my health and body. Third, activities I enjoy. 4, relationships I am grateful for. And you do not have to do the bottom because it's just like what we did on Monday. So you don't have to worry about the bottom part on Tuesday. Please try to write 3 things in each section. So you can make a little 1, 2, 3 bullet pointed list. You don't have to write full sentences. Okay, that is all you have for the week. I hope you enjoy your Thanksgiving weekend, and I will see you on Zoom. Bye, learners.